to the advanced capabilities of the K2's engineering filament support. So to control all of this advanced machinery, we know we needed an equally advanced UI, one that supports next-gen features intuitively for any user, while maintaining the modding flexibility and open source expandability that all Creality users have always loved. This is where our complete redesign of Creality OS, beautifully featured on full-color touchscreens with seamless wireless control through many of our applications, assures a premium experience. With embedded support for our Creality filament system, multicolor printing has never been easier to set up. And of course, like the K2 Plus, the entire K2 lineup is open source, with embedded Moonraker and Fluid built right in for our modding masters. Intuitive control still wasn't enough for us. We wanted the K2 series to function nearly autonomously. And for this, we leveraged over a dozen smart sensors, dual cameras, advanced programming to build the K2 fleet's AI monitoring system. Automatic detection of print anomalies or failures will actually pause and notify our users remotely before any damage or waste occurs. Print with peace of mind. Or even watch your prints live while auto-recording time lapses of your beautiful creations. Now, for maximum speed and user experience through complex algorithms, the K2s not only fully self-calibrate, but they build in efficient programs like selective bed leveling, where calibration will only focus on the print zones for each run, drastically minimizing pre-calibration, making prints faster, while ensuring flawless first layers and perfect bed adhesion. Just like the K2 Plus, the K2 variants include native compatibility with up to 4 separate CFS units. So we actually see the next generation of makers as artists, and supporting up to 16 colors of filaments will surely bring a lot of beautiful creations into our world. Now, let's meet the newest additions to the K2 lineup, starting with the K2 Pro. Powerful, precise, and production-ready, batch build big with this ultimate helmet hero. Coming in at 60% of the original size of the K2 Plus, the K2 Pro boasts an impressive yet efficient 300 cube build volume, an actively heated chamber powered by our advanced step servo motion rig and high-temp hardened steel extrusion system. Controlled by a perfected UI on a 4-inch color touch screen, this modern marvel can fabricate helmets easily in 16-color multi-material glory at blazing fast 600 mils per second speeds and 20K accelerations. Dylan, where are you? How do you like that? You're going to be printing a lot of helmets on this machine, eh? The K2 Pro is a prosumer option for makers still wanting all the bells and whistles and with a serious build volume. Now, what about our users who want something more streamlined, a reliable, efficient entry to multicolor and close printing? This is where we introduce the base model of our next-gen fleet, the K2. Smart, streamlined, and speedy, the perfect multicolor maker at a perfect price. The base model K2 is 40% of the size of the K2 Plus. It's for makers who just want a sturdy, reliable machine that will just print. With an incredibly efficient build volume of 260 mils cubed, all the speed and extrusion power of its bigger brothers. Let's not forget, also included is CFS support. This machine balances form and function beautifully for the ultimate entry into next-gen 3D printing. Now for the most important information you've all been waiting for. When can we get our hands on the next generation fleet of 3D printers? That's right. The entire K2 series will be available in Q3 of